Hello, just want to give tips. Number one is you have to practice every day and then identify your strength. That will really make you master on your craft. Number two, during the assessment, kailangan focus ka sa trabaho mo and kailangan ibigay mo yung best mo slowly but surely. Number three is ipakita nyo sa kanila yung paggamit ng sharpening steel nyo slowly para yung stroke nyo is matatamaan talaga yung mga blades nito. That's the way na mapakita nyo na may alam kayo sa paggamit ng honing steel. Number 4, not to hurry. Slowly but surely. Hindi kailangang mamadaliin kasi magkakamali kayo pag binamadali nyo. Kaya dapat dahan-dahan lang ang performance nyo during your trade test or online assessment. Then lastly, don't think about competition yung pag-trade test or online assessment nyo. Just do your part. Just do it correctly. That's all. Thank you guys. Have a great day everyone.